In this video, let's look at the enigmatic last question. The last question is basically, does your data suggest a linear relationship? Okay. Now, there's a couple ways you can go about this. One way is to look at all these coefficients of friction, and if they show some pattern, that is, let's say they always increase, that would not be linear, right? And so you could look for a pattern. If there's some pattern, like it always increases, always decreases, if they just bubble around randomly, it probably is just random error. Okay. Now take a look at these lines here, like that. It put a line through that thing there. Let's mess with this data here. Let's see. This is the point for about 7 newtons. So let's take that and make it for kinetic. Let's make it a little higher here just for fun. Let's make that 1.7. Let's make it 1.8. There we go. And let's make this other one lower, 0.4. Let's make it 0.2. I'm just trying to make a point here. Okay. Now take a look at this one. Look at the line for this lower one, right? Notice it's steep, less steep, less steep. Here, let's make it even more pronounced. The 1.8, let's make that 1.9. There we go. So if you look at this, this is definitely a curve. Do you see that? This is definitely curving over. It's steeper, it's less steep, it's less steep, it's less steep. Okay? That definitely looks fishy. This does not look like it's probably a linear relationship, right? It definitely put a line through it because you told it to. But this relationship, the red lines here, do not look like they're linear. So that's what I want you to talk about. Like if you look at the blue line here, these nearly fall on the line and they just randomly fall above and below. The red line here though, right, it's increasingly getting, the slope gets less and less each time. Okay, so that definitely is a pattern, and that's what you're looking for. Is there some pattern besides a straight line that you could, that it seems to suggest? So talk about the linearity of this, okay? I think that's it. Yeah, hope that helps.